up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Take a look at this clean 1966 Chevy Nova. Just got it in from down south in Alabama. We're gonna do a complete walkthrough, show you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get. Guys, before we do the walkthrough, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button right now. Please subscribe to our videos. This way you can see all of our new inventory as we get it every single week. You'll get notifications and you'll get to watch all of our videos. And I appreciate you watching it, guys. So this is a 1966 Chevy 2 Nova, 327 V8, automatic transmission. It's got power steering, power brakes, factory air condition. It's got no rot, no rust on the whole car. Undercarriage is in perfect condition. Car is really, really nice. This is above a driver quality car. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's side fender. We'll look at the paint, do a paint test. You can see my reflection really good in it. It's got no waves in the paint that I can see. I don't see any orange peel. A good polish would do this car justice. The car is not polished. If you put a nice polish, it doesn't need to be cut or anything. Just a nice polish would really bring out the luster even more than what it is. But it does look good. I got one little flaw here. This is a superficial scratch. It's more of a scuff with some wax that'll come out. You got a couple little chips here in the paint. Now, as far as the paint, it looks like the car is probably painted one time. It's a very, very nice paint job, but it looks too good to be factory in my opinion. If it had this original paint, it probably would have aged, so it's probably been painted, I'm guessing, within the past 10 years or so, maybe 15. You got a couple little chips there. Down here's clean. You got a little imperfection in the paint here, right there, if you can see that. Tires got plenty of life left. You got these Kragers here. These are 15-inch wheels, and they're in good condition. They'd be wise to shine them up. They'll come out really good and pop. Little scratch right there. That brings us to the front of the vehicle. This car just looks so good. It really looks beautiful in the sun. Looking at the hood, hood sits good. This line looks nice. This line gap is a little bit more than the right side gap by, I would probably say, 1/8 of an inch or less. But overall, it's a good placement. Chrome is in good shape. I don't see much flaws. A little bit of dirt there. Again, nice polishing kit to polish this up would be nice. I absolutely love these body styles. Guys, if you like this type of Nova, do me a favor, leave me a comment if you've had one or owned one. Give me your experience on it. A lot of the younger guys are not huge fans of them, but I absolutely love them. I know the boomers love them. If you're a boomer, let me know if you like this car. Going over here, this is nice and good. I don't see any flaws here. Down at the bottom, tires in good shape. It's probably almost a new tire. Wheels in good shape as well. Going over here to this fender, let's see, a couple not even, it's dirt. Got a little imperfection here. This is in good shape. I don't see any bubbling or anything. This gap here is nice. Door sits good. Same thing with this. Edges got a little chips there. Rest of the door's in good shape. Roof's in good shape. No scratches, no flaws. Let's go ahead and give it the door test. Before we do that, we'll look on the inside. Inside's in good shape. Door test, real light. Wow, it closes really good, and I was super light on that. Let's do again, super light. Okay, that one didn't close. I went even lighter. But we'll give it a nice normal close. Shuts very well. So that's good. It's good to see. Quarters in good shape. Little flaw here. We usually talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. This car, I could tell you out the rip, it does not have any ugly on it. It's got one little spot. I'll show you a scratch, and that's the biggest flaw in the whole car. Besides a scratch, you're pretty good on this car. A little imperfection there in the paint back here. Glass is in good shape. I don't see any cracks. They are tinted, but I don't see any cracks. Front windshield looks nice as well. No cracks in it. Again, tire on this one is not as good as the front, but they're not wore out. But you could tell somebody spun these tires at least once. This is the biggest flaw of the car. There's two scratches right here that need to be filled in. I would not paint it. I would just fill that in with a little bit of paint and leave it. This way you're not trying to match paint and stuff. The car just sits so well. It's got such a nice clean look to it. And it's a good driver's car because of the air condition, power steering, power brakes. See the gaps here look well. They match up pretty good here as well. The chrome, again, needs to be polished, but I don't see any flaws in the chrome. I don't see any pitting or anything like that. Trunk doesn't have any flaws on it. A couple little scratches in the glass, but no cracks or anything. You can see some scratches here. And I don't know if that's coming from the glass or is that the tint. Driver's side, rear sits nice, no bubbling here. I don't see any imperfections in the paint except right here. Got a little chips right underneath the molding. Back to this part of the roof, this looks good. Back here looks good. I don't see any body work. I don't see any Bondo on the car. I'm not saying that there's not. You gotta, obviously take a paint meter to it or something, but there's nothing visual that you can tell this car has had body work. And if you look at the undercarriage, you'll see that the car has no rust on it, so I can almost guarantee this car was garage kept. I was told it was elderly owned, non-smoker, and the guy I bought it from bought it at a car show years ago from believed to be the second owner, so it's probably a 3-owner car. Gap's a little tighter up here at the top. Let's give it the, check the mirror real quick, then we'll give it the door close test. Look on the inside, see if we see any overspray or anything. So this was painted over, so like I said, at least one repaint. Oh, that shut good again. A lot of these Chevys don't shut well, but that shut good. Yep. Usually the hinges go a little crazy on them. But yeah, guys, solid overall car on the outside for sure. Let's open up under the hood real quick. So power brakes, 327, power steering, and air condition. And the AC works beautifully, which I will show you. There's your buck tag there. Grab the keys, open up the trunk. Nice and solid. Little moisture getting back here. All this is solid. Looks all original. Looks like the original spare. Under the car, appears to be all original. I don't see a bunch of undercoating or anything. Looks very, very clean. If you do buy the car and you live in a bad climate, I would probably recommend to undercoat it. Probably put a new exhaust on it as well. The exhaust is fine, but it looks old. I put nice, beautiful exhaust on it. If I was going to keep it, that's what I would recommend. On the inside, door panel is in good condition. Grab our key real quick. Door panel's in good condition. Other door panel. I got bench seat here, column shifter, Chevy air condition. Back seat's in good shape. No tears, no rips. It's overall a clean car. It's a ready to go car is what I call these. Starts right up. The AC blows out and it blows cold. This does not work. Looks like the radio does turn on. Horn works. Got oil pressure here, water temperature there. Fuel level showing a quarter, which we'll put fuel in it, see if that works. And also it's showing 10,408 miles, so I'm guessing 110,000 miles on this car. Definitely solid car. Guys, we're on a test drive, just pulled out. Up on the highway. Gas gauge looks like it's working. MPH gauge is working, clock is not. Look at that, holds the road very well, no hands. Driving nice and straight. Going about 55 right now. Left turn signal looks like it's working. Get you some more. Do a little turnaround up here. It's a very, very solid driver. Just make a perfect car for anybody that wants to just cruise. And this AC works absolutely great. I got it on low right now, but we can put it up. The steering feels nice and tight. There's not a ton of play in it. Good amount of power. Guys, if you're interested, give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com, or you can give me a call directly, 215-801-9493. Appreciate you checking out the test drive. When we get back to the lot, we'll put the lights on, make sure all the signals on the outside's working and everything's good to go. All right, brake lights are working. Left turn signal works. Good. Right turn signal works. Go ahead and put the lights on. Perfect. There you guys go. Up for sale now, bobevansclassics.com. Give me a call today. God bless the USA. Talk to you guys later.